Hey folks, here at the Pearson companion site for our Calculus 1 class for fall semester 2014, thought I'd just run you through a few of the items that you can find at the companion website. This would be the main page that you would see. It's also known as the course homepage. Over here on the left, just a few items I'm going to point out. This video won't be too long. One will be homework. If I click on homework, uh, yep, here it is. You see, I'm going to have some homeworks that I will assign for you. Like right now, homework 1 is available. And you see where the due date is. What the homework is going to be is it's nothing that I'm going to grade per se. It's going to count towards your grade. But after we go over a couple of sections in class and we've gone over the homework, I will put a homework out here to give you like more assessment. It'll just give you a few more problems to do to make sure that you really understand the material. This will hopefully be very beneficial for you when it comes time to take the test. So what I would like to what I'd like to do is point out just a couple of features on the homework. Ignore what I just clicked on. You won't have the ability to do that. I just wanted to preview the first homework assignment. And this is, for example, it says evaluate the following limit. And you always have to follow the directions very carefully. So you type in what you think the answer is. And let's look at another one. It's like, let's just say, for example, I really didn't know how to do this. Let's say I forget that this is the indeterminate form 0 over 0, and that I need to do some more work. What I'm really here to highlight for you is these two features. View an example, so you could see an example, or help me solve this. Now, I would hope you wouldn't have to use that too often, because in theory, you're going to be looking at this homework after you've already done the homework I assign in class, the homework problems that I have listed on your syllabus, and after we've looked at the homework in class. So hopefully you're feeling good about this stuff, and this is just like you're quizzing yourself. But if for whatever reason you're just stumped, you don't know what to do, you could click on this help me solve this, and it gives you a hint. Since using direct substitution results in this, they say is undefined. I don't like that. It's indeterminate. Factor the numerator. So they're giving you a hint on what to do. I really like that feature. So I'm going to close it out. I just wanted to show you what these neat features are there in the homework area. Yeah, I want to leave the page. So that's where you'll click to find homework. Anytime I put a homework on the site for you to do, I'll be sure to send you a notification via Blackboard. I'm not going to do any quizzes or tests. I'm not going to do anything here that's going to count for points. I mean, maybe I'll do a quiz, but it won't count for points towards your grade. I'm basically going to use the features of this site, the homework, and if I use quizzes, to just help you, give you a few more problems to make sure you're understanding the material. I don't care about that or that. This is where the ebook is found in the chapter contents. So let's look at the ebook, chapter contents. Chances are, once you come here, you are going to have to click on this link right here, the Wolfram CDF player. The ebook is written in a version of Mathematica, and you need to have the CDF player. It's a free download. So you're going to have to click on that. You're going to have to download the CDF player, get it installed on your computer, and then you'll be able to look at the contents of the ebook. But some neat things straight away. A student solution manual. Student solution manual will be, well, look, it provides solutions to every odd number section exercise. So the back of the book will have answers. A solution manual may show a few steps in how those answers were achieved. So that's kind of cool that you have that here. Here's a graphing calculator manual. And if you ever have questions, look, there's stuff on the 83 plus, 84 plus. Just kind of nice. Let's look at a chapter here. Now we're getting into the heart of the text itself. So let's look at chapter 2. And let's look at section 2.3. And it says, go ahead and, you have some options. I would probably say, well, let's look at the interactive ebook. So when you look at the interactive ebook, oh boy, yeah, allow and remember. It's going to open it up. It's going to be using this this CDF viewer that I was telling you about, and you see how it's set up. I mean, these are the main banner topics within this section. So limits of linear functions. We open that up, and it kind of looks like your text. There's some figure here and a theorem. Here's an example. What's nice about the ebook, though, is it doesn't just tell you what the solutions are. I mean, you're going to have to click here for the solution. So it might be kind of cool. You see limit as x approaches 3 f of x, where f of x is 1/2 x minus 7. Before you just click on the solution, maybe try to do it yourself and see what you get. See what you get for part B. And then you can open up the solution and see if you're correct. It's kind of cool. The limit laws, we'll be going over this in class, but it's a pretty good ebook. I like the way that it is set up. Let's come down here. Ooh, this is always a good one, the squeeze theorem. You're going to see that a lot in calculus, and this is kind of cool. Look, we get some trig involved. Ooh, you have to like that to see trig. And then there's you can click on the solution, yada yada yada, and then they have a quick check. There's a quick quiz in here, neat, and then the exercises. And again, it's just set up like your textbook, but I like the format. So again, that's your interactive ebook. Of course, there are interactive figures. It says follow the links below to explore ebooks, interactive figures. So you could play around with this to see, what it's going to do. You get a little approach x equals a from the left. Shows you, I don't know, let's see what happens when we click right. Oh, look at that. It kind of changes the orientation. So left, right. All right, that was neat. Oh boy. I did not want to do that. So if I try to get back to it now, video presentations. Before viewing the videos for this section, be sure you have run the MyMathLab browser check. I think I'm fine, but we could open up a video and let's see what this video is. It's taking a while to load. Oh, it's taking a while to load. This better be a good video. It's taking so long to load. It's still working on loading. I may not have the patience to wait, but that's just me. You all will have more patience.
Hello, I'm Dr. Maurice Dupre, and in this section we're going to discuss calculating limits using the limit laws. Our basic objective here is to see how, when we look at a limit problem involving a complex algebraic expression, we can use limit rules to break it down into simple pieces. The main theorem that allows us to break complex limit problems into simple
All right,
ones
I think
is
I've seen enough of that
Theorem 1,
video.
the limit laws.
So I'm going
If
to close it out. But there are videos. It's nice that there are some videos. He probably won't be telling you any Michigan jokes, but it is what it is. So, coming back, let me close this chapter contents. Just remember, chapter contents. Chapter contents, that is where you will find everything pertaining to the textbook. Student Solutions Manual, Graphing Calculator Manual, and then the chapters of the text itself. Let's see if there's anything else I wanted to show you. Tools for success, you can explore that on your own. Multimedia library, this will probably, you can pick a chapter, say chapter 2, section 3. Maybe you just wanted to see what animations were in that section, what interactive figures, or you want to look at the multimedia textbook. Okay, yeah, whatever, that's neat. I would probably see all that stuff when I would come here, and I would just look at section 2, 3 as I was just showing you in the text itself. I don't think I'd be using that. I'm sure that costs money. Pearson Tutor Services. Discussions, I have no idea what this is unless someone wanted to start a thread on here to discuss something. Course tools, yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so that's the long and short of it. Important things will be your homework. And if I ever put a quiz out there, if I do put a quiz out there, it will not have that neat feature of help me solve this. But this for extra assessment, the homework, quizzes, and then the ebook itself, where you'd find student solutions and the other wonderful features. So that's it. That's a quick run through of what I've set up for you here at your Textbooks Companion website at the MyMathLab. Thanks for watching.